Buckle up, folks. Today, we're diving into the top 10 vehicles with the lowest comprehensive and collision losses. This isn't just about stats, it's about helping you find the cars that could save you a bundle on insurance. Ready to discover your next money-saving ride? Let's hit the road. Hey everyone, Tia at Trailstone here, and today we're talking about which vehicles have the lowest comprehensive and collision losses based on the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, or IIHS for short. And if you don't know what the IIHS is, this is an excerpt from the IIHS website describing what they do. Quote, "The IIHS is an independent, nonprofit, scientific and educational organization dedicated to reducing deaths, injuries, and property damage from motor vehicle crashes through research and evaluation and through education of consumers, policymakers, and safety professionals." IIHS was founded in 1959 by 3 major insurance associations representing 80% of the U.S. auto insurance market. At first, the Institute's purpose was to support highway safety efforts by others. A decade later, IIHS was reinvented as an independent research organization. So let's talk about some of the details of the report before we jump into the actual findings. The vehicles we're discussing today come from the Highway Loss Data Institute, or known as HLDI, and are part of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. This is the latest data from 2022 available, and we're only looking at comprehensive and collision losses. But on the IIHS's website, there is also data on plenty of other types of insurance losses if you're curious. The percentages shown are the percentage above or below the average for all passenger vehicles under a given coverage type. So let's talk about the vehicles with the lowest comprehensive losses first. And what even is a comprehensive loss? Well, the HLDI breaks down comprehensive losses into these categories: theft, non-collision events, and everything else like hitting animals, natural disasters, fire, and vandalism. So we'll start with number 10 and work our way down to number 1. And remember, the lower the percentage, the better the score, expressed as a negative percentage, meaning the negative number is below the average. All right, coming in at number 10, the GMC Canyon Crew Cab. The Canyon Crew Cab is 46% below the average, or a negative 46% score. Number 9, Volkswagen Taos. 4-door, both the 2-wheel and 4-wheel drive model, also scored a negative 46%. Number 8 is the Jeep Wrangler 2-door 4-wheel drive model. This scored at a negative 48%. Number 7 is the Chevrolet Bolt Electric, came in at a negative 48%. Number 6 is the Buick Encore 4-door 4-wheel drive, also at a negative 48%. Number 5 is the GMC Sierra 2500 Extended Cab 4-wheel drive pickup, again at negative 48%. Number 4 is the Buick Encore 4-door, and this is the 2-wheel drive, coming in at negative 50%. Number 3 is the GMC Sierra 1500 4-wheel drive pickup at a negative 52%. Number 2, the Chevrolet Silverado 2500 4-wheel drive pickup truck came in at a negative 53%. And the winner for the best comprehensive loss score, coming in at number 1, the Ford F-250 4-wheel drive pickup truck at a negative 61%. So let's talk about the best vehicle for collision losses now. But wait, what's a collision loss? Well, again, from HLDI, quote, "If you're at fault in a crash, your own insurance covers the damage to your vehicle. This is called a collision claim with your insurance. And remember, the lower the percentage is, the better score." Okay, number 10, the Ford T350 Transit Cargo 4-wheel drive at negative 43%. Number 9, Chevrolet Silverado 3500 four-wheel drive at negative 43%. Number 8, the Ford Bronco two-door four-wheel drive at negative 43%. Number 7 is the Ford T150 Transit Cargo four-wheel drive at negative 44%. Number 6, Ford T350 Transit four-wheel drive at negative 45%. Number 5, GMC Canyon Extended Cab four-wheel drive at negative 45% as well. Number 4, GMC Sierra 2500 four-wheel drive, also at negative 45%. Number 3 is the Subaru Crosstrek four-wheel drive at negative 46%. Number 2 is the Jeep Wrangler two-door four-wheel drive at negative 47%. And our winner for the best collision losses at number 1 is the Toyota Tundra double cab at negative 52%. So this is a great list, but you may be looking for information for a specific vehicle you own or are looking to purchase. Well, check out the IIHS website where you can look up a specific vehicle to see how it stacks up. And to be honest, I've had my eye on a new vehicle, the McLaren 720 Spider convertible in Aurora Blue, but I just checked the insurance score on the McLaren. Just for collision, it's a plus 652% of the average. This is on a $250,000 vehicle. Ouch. And just kidding, I'm not really looking for the McLaren. I was just shocked on the insurance score. If you're looking for the best insurance available for your vehicle, reach out to us here at Trailstone Insurance Group. We'll shop your insurance with more than 40 insurance carriers. This means we'll always find you the best rate and coverage for your vehicles, regardless of the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety score for your vehicle. Well, until next time, be safe out there, especially if you're driving a McLaren.